From day one, a Pope Francis Prep student becomes part of something that could change everything. We are part of a learning community that is creative, motivating, and spiritual. From day one, we take on new challenges, tackle rigorous academics, explore our passions, or sometimes just make a fresh start. We are part of a community that fosters self-awareness and encourages us to claim our place in this world. From day one, we begin to establish our goals, learn to love wisdom, and develop a passion for truth. We become part of a school where the values of respect, integrity, and resilience extend well beyond our classrooms. From day one, we spark the fires of innovation, igniting change and promise for a better future. We are breaking the mold, creating memories, and preparing for life after high school. From day one, we experience teachers, programs, and activities that will not only help us grow and learn, but will see us actively thrive and launch our dreams. And then, one day, upon graduating, we will get far more than a diploma. We will have the knowledge that we are prepared to go anywhere and do anything. From day one, Pope Francis Prep provides us with the roadmap. We create the journey. Let's get started.